The reason of taking a trade is pure price action, nothing else. I have not used any indicator for taking a trade. I'll explain the reason a little bit later, but before that, hello and welcome to the price action trading channel. This channel is solely dedicated how to use chart patterns, how to design your trading structure, trading mentality, and how to take a trade without using or very minimal use of indicators. So let's get started. Okay, so I've switched to AUD JPY pair because I saw an opportunity. Maybe I'll after this candle I'll place a call here. Okay, so I placed a call option here. The reason for placing a call option is we see a upper resistance here, and the candle must go to that level in order to retrace it back. So I'm expecting a full candle here. Oh, let's wait for this candle to finish. Okay, I'm still expecting a full candle. Very close. It's going to I'm still hopeful. I'm still expecting. Okay, looks like we are going to win. Okay, so I'll explain why I took that trade. Okay, so let me zoom in the chart. Now if you notice, I've marked the support here. The support was broken in the red candle, and immediately after that red candle the green candle formed, showing that buyers are active there now. Now what is happening is the candle is looking for the next resistance so that it can either stay at that level or get rejected. So according to the calculation, the candle has to reach to the next level in order to get rejected or in order to make some kind of candle red or green. So that was the reason of taking a trade. So now I have moved to EUR JPY chart and I saw an opportunity of call here. Okay, okay, let's wait for a call here. So I have called here, and the reason of calling it here is it is a buyer momentum. If you see the previous candles, it is a clear buyer momentum. I'll explain in a bit why I took that trade. Okay, so now I won. I'll explain now why I took that trade. Now if you notice, previous three candles or four candles, they were completely green. That means it was a buyer's momentum. And if you notice, right above it is a yellowish resistance line that I made to show you guys that even though the resistance was there and the call is a risky call, so that's why I waited for a candle to come a bit down and then I traded a call option, because I knew that the candle will be green. Even though candle might have been red, I would have still won because I took a margin call. Okay, so now I've moved back to AUD JPY pair because I'm seeing an opportunity here. Okay, so I have created a new support line. Now the candle is forming right at the support level. I'll probably wait, or if the good candle is formed, then only I'll take the trade. Otherwise, I'll wait. It is still forming. Let's wait. Let's wait. Still forming. Okay, so I have skipped a minute or so because candle was still forming and I saw an doji. Now I'll take a call option here because seller could not force break the resistance line here, and the candle doji candle is formed right at the support level. That means it is here, it is considered a continuation pattern, because if you notice, there is no buyers, there is no sellers at that point of time. At least I'm expecting for a minute or so the buyers will be there in order to regain the market control. So the green candle should form here. Let's wait few more seconds, 10 seconds to be exact. Let's wait if it is getting formed a green candle or a red candle. Okay, okay, So it is a win for us. Okay, so if you notice, it is a very small green candle, but still it is a win for us. Okay, now I have moved back to Euro JPY. Again, I'm seeing an opportunity after this candle because it is on a resistance line. Let's see what kind of candle is getting formed here. Okay, now I've took the call option here because the call is late, but if you notice, the call is right on the resistance line. That means the resistance could not be broken. So at least for a minute or so, the buyers will be active, and I'm hoping that it's a win for us. Let's wait 30 more seconds. I'm going to speed up a video a bit. Okay, 4 more seconds. Okay, now we won. Now, as you can see, only the candlestick analysis, all these trades were taken, and with the support and resistance, nothing else, no indicator was taken here. Now, if you like these kind of videos, if you like these kind of trades and some kind of explanation with those trades, please like and subscribe this channel and share these videos with your friends and family if you can. Thank you. Thanks for watching.